Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you a chicken Italian sandwich. One teaspoon. One teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, I'm gonna let this marinate for a couple hours before I saute the chicken. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these up. I just finished washing them. They were really dirty. A lot of people say don't wash them, but I rather wash them, because I can see the dirt on them, so I don't want that going into my body. Okay, I cut them up, and I'm gonna add them to the air fryer. I'm not gonna add any seasoning on these at this time. I'm gonna add one whole bell pepper and one whole chopped up onion in the oven, so I can go ahead and start cooking those two items. Oh, and there's one more. I will add some garlic to the mushrooms after they bake a little while. Here's the bell pepper. I'm gonna place that in the oven so it can roast along with the mushrooms. Okay, I got one whole onion. I'm gonna go ahead and chop that up. Okay, I chopped up the whole onion, and I'm chopping up whole bulb of garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and chop that up. Okay, this is for two dishes. One, I'm making a chicken Italian sandwich, and I'm making a mushroom Italian sandwich. One is vegan and one is with meat, with chicken. Okay, these are salads that we're having for lunch. On my salad, I have avocado, mixed arugula, and spinach salad. I have dates and cucumbers. And I have a few tomatoes. So let me eat my lunch. I'm gonna use my follow your heart dressing, which is supposed to be blue cheese, a vegan blue cheese. And this is veal salad here. It's got dates, cucumbers, and tomatoes on the salad. seasoning in here. And I gotta add the garlic and onions. It's a half an onion and a half a clove of garlic chopped up. Go ahead and add that in there. And the other last thing I will add is a little black pepper. Okay, I added the black pepper. I think I'm gonna add a little more water because this water will evaporate soon, so I don't want it to be too dry. I'm adding about a tablespoon of vinegar. Okay. I added the chicken to the pot, so I'm gonna go ahead and cook that. Saute that in the skillet. We add the onions and garlic. Added onions. A teaspoon of oregano. Cumin. Okay, I'm going to add the spices. Don't have to add any oil because the oil is coming out of the chicken. Okay. I'll add some water in this in a minute or two. I'm going to add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Okay. I added 1 cup of water. Alexa, set a timer for 30 minutes. Add the last 2 spices, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. And I'm going to do the same thing for the mushrooms. Last 2 ingredients. Paprika, that's a teaspoon. Teaspoon of chili powder. Okay. And I'm going to stir it up. I'm going to stir it up. I'm going to mix it up. This is the bell pepper. I'm going to go ahead and peel the skin off of it and cut it open so I can remove the seeds. Okay, the Italian chicken is ready. Let me just go ahead and prepare the sandwich for Bill. The bread is so soft. I hope it holds up to the sandwich. It's a very juicy sandwich. Okay, this is Bill's mayo. I think I'm gonna add it to the sandwich. We don't need much on there. I'm gonna go ahead and add the bell pepper on there. This is the cheese that he chose for his sandwich. I know that's not the kind they usually put on the sandwich at Al's, but that's what he wanted. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and toast it in the oven. Okay, add some peppers on the sandwich. Now, Bill doesn't like all these vegetables, but I'm gonna put a little bit on there anyway. But he definitely loves his peppers. Close it up. It's a messy sandwich, but it's delicious. Okay, I'm gonna open this bread. It's so soft. So soft, it's hard to even cut. This is for my vegan sandwich. Mushrooms. Okay. And this is vegan mayo. Okay. We add the peppers on it. Okay. Add the cheese. This is the cheese this is the cheese I bought for the Italian mushroom sandwich. Okay, I'm gonna toast it. Okay, we'll place it in the oven, the air fryer. The sandwich was really good, but this bread here does not hold up well. Try to find French bread. This bread is not French bread. So, thanks so much for watching.